Mes amis, on observe vidéo ça, bien que me connaît ou capable parler anglais, pour moun qui pas parler anglais, ou prend sang, ou prend temps, regarder vidéo à bien, ou observer pour voir comment police officier ça arrive perdre job li parce que li manifeste zak raciste sous petit chef qui sous tête li ou bien patron qui sous tête li sans le pas connaît. À vrai dire, juger li ouais, jeune homme ça qui se handicapé, li pas ka vivre dans zone ça, li estimer que li c'est un suspect, bien que jeune homme nan lui-même li pas gen pièce parce qu'il peut gagner l'âge pour gagner ID, eh bien li c'est un noir, li subi zak raciste ça. Mais coulève pas gen pied, bon Dieu marché pour lui. Ça c'est une grosse leçon. En suivre. Bien que jeune homme nan deal appareil électronique ça c'est un game, c'est un cadeau Christmas. Grand-mère fait le cadeau, et bien pas quoi li rale l'amel parce qu'il vend cher, li pense jeune homme ça ti noir ça pas qu'à posséder un game qui vend cher comme ça. Et bien on regarde pour voir comment le redil l'amel jeune homme nan lage la terre, la prele backup pendant ce temps c'est papa jeune homme ça qui vini en backup. On a regardé pour voir les yon moun raciste ou perdi, les yon moun raciste ou payer ça bien cher. On suit vidéo pour voir et puis partager. On a le ouais comment li rive perdre job li parce que li c'est raciste. Li là pour le protéger et servir surtout jeune homme nation jeune homme qui handicapé. On suit pour voir comment li maltraiter jeune homme pour te ka prend appareil à la main pendant pour perdre job li.
How old are you?
15.
What's your name?
Michael.
Michael, do you live around here?
Yeah, I live around the corner. I'm just going to my friend's house.
Okay. Like I said, we've had a report of a suspect in this area, and I'm just gonna check things out, okay?
Okay, but what does that have to do with me?
Well, we got a description of the suspect, and quite frankly, you matched the description.
But that doesn't make any sense. I'm just trying to go to my friend's house so I can play some Xbox.
Okay, don't get snappy with me, boy.
I'm not getting snappy. I just want to go.
Okay, and I'm telling you, I'm gonna need to do a little further investigation before I let you go. Are we clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now, what are you doing with expensive electronic equipment and carrying them down the middle of the street?
Like I said, okay, I'm going to my friend's house so we could play some Xbox.
Oh, Xbox. So do you have a receipt for that Xbox?
No, I don't have a receipt. It was a Christmas gift for my grandma.
Okay, well, I'm sorry. I'm gonna need some sort of proof of receipt or ownership for that Xbox.
It was a Christmas gift.
To the station until we get this all sorted out.
Why?
Why? Number one, you don't have any ID on you. Number two, you're carrying expensive electronics down the street and you can't prove to me that you own it. And number three, you match the description of the suspect.
But you literally heard me on the phone with my friend.
Okay, I'm gonna walk you and help you get into the car.
What do you mean?
All right?
What?
Don't
serious?
don't make this any harder than it needs to be. What are you doing? Stop it! You are making this very difficult. All right, give me the Xbox. No, give me the Xbox.
You're not allowed to do this.
Yes, stop it! You're making this. Dispatch! I need backup. I've got a. Mayo. Suspect who is resisting arrest, and I can't hold it much longer. I'm at Flamingo in third. Give me this Xbox.
You're not.
Backup needed on Flamingo in third.
Dispatch, this is Captain Porter. I'm right around the corner. I should be there in about 30 seconds. Michael!
Dad?
Michael!
Thank God you're here.
God, come on. God. You okay, son?
I'll be fine, thank you.
Captain, this is your son?
Yes, my son. What were you doing to him?
I'm sorry. I didn't know. How could I know this was your son?
What difference does it make? You're wrestling with a kid in a wheelchair. Have you completely lost your mind? Son, are you hurting anyway?
I'll be fine.
Well, there was the report of a robbery in the neighborhood, and I saw him, and I don't know.
Huh,
I don't know.
Wait a minute. You saw a black kid in a wheelchair. That's his Xbox?
Yes.
You saw a black kid in a wheelchair carrying an Xbox and you thought that this was your suspect? What, black kids can't have Xbox?
Well, that's not how it went. I mean, I confronted him, and then I started questioning him, and I don't know, things just got out of hand.
So you thought he was the suspect even though you didn't have any proof?
I was wrong, Captain. I was wrong.
Officer Adams, it's your job to serve and protect, not harass and intimidate.
I understand.
It's officers like you that give the rest of us a bad name.
Sir, I could have made different choices, and I'm sorry, and I promise nothing like this will ever happen again. I promise.
You are absolutely right. As captain of the Mango Park Police Department, it is my job to protect this community, even from people within our own department.
Oh, come on, Captain. No, please, Captain.
Officer Adams, as of right now, you are terminated from your position as a police officer. I'm going to need your badge and I'm going to need your gun. Give me that.